Proposition 20. Inside Shakti and Shiva, objects would have had their own trajectories and orbits. Some collisions would occur head-on in the same direction of the angles of impact. Those collisions would have the greatest release of kinetic energy, as there would be much more heat and much more energy released than would be conserved in the resulting angular momentum of the hot, spinning eddies of plasma energy that form from each collision. Potentially, more matter could in theory be created as the energy cools than the original amount of matter involved in the collision, as the speed approaches twice the speed of light. SCT would predict vast superstructures of the cosmos with lower rotational spins and vast empty voids with little to no galactic activity. We observe in our visible universe superclusters, supervoids, and massive filaments, further predictions of successive collision theory.